شورش دامن كنينا روج كنينا صال كنينا تاكل 5 سال بجي معنا سالكاتي قلت وهنا بدا
ريحة جو
شنو راح تسوي؟
سوي خيمة
هات
يمسخن هدوء الخيمة تعال يلا لا تعال والله ما تعال هيا استلمها بس من بعيد بني وان تتبلع ما انت وياه
تاكله بيتك للحاره. انت عندك امال. ايش كان سهل للحاره لرفقاتك اللي في الحاره اصدقائك.
ليش؟ فين قدام؟ حلو ايدي والله حلو حلو شوف فترته
توجعك عن وش ودعونا وش عيانا فرقاها نارك ولا
خلاص معطل يعني فيقول ندحدح ايدها تقدر تبيها وسبحانه
جاي الحمد لله.
والله لا دفني قلبه من كل ما يعوزنا قرب اقول روحوا نادوله روحوا نادوله خليه هو المرة يقعدون حل كل دقة لنا روحوا قولوا بالهيئة يروح يجيب لكم كلب روحوا قولوا له بالهيئة
قندرنا شيلي كويس بنا
ما زارك هيك يكم نوسية يعني ديكار زيد دريج هي هيش ساعات زيد وسا ديكار برد وامك.
Tamam. So it's a very big change for the baby from inside the uterus to the outside world, and the contractions also are giving the baby the signal.
وتشتكنها بجوهر.
After the lunch, we will talk more about.
My name is Merivan Carranza. I am here in Rojava for 6 months and in Jingwar for 1 month and a half, more or less. And I am from Barcelona. I am general doctor, and I am taking part in Shifajin project here in Jingwar. What is Shifajin project? Shifajin project will be a clinic for women and children from the village and from the village around. We want to start this project that in fact was one of the parts of the ideas in Jingwar since Jingwar started. We want to start the project because it's very needed, no, that in this patriarchal society we take care, the persons who are taking care of the health in women, they are women, and the goals of Shifajin are in one part to give to take care about the health from a natural point of view. What means from a natural point of view, from a natural perspective? It doesn't mean only with herbs and without chemicals, because we will give chemicals if it's necessary. It means to giving political perspective to this attention, to trying to recover our autonomy and our ability to take care of our health, because if we are not able to take care of our health, we will not be able to be free. So we will take care of the health, giving medical attention, giving chemical medicine sometimes, giving natural medicine sometimes. We will make progress to educate the people and to recover this knowledge that it was stolen for the women long time ago, because our role was really related with health before. Political perspective to build this health with these principles of a democratic, ecological and free women society. And which are my works in this project? I am trying to organize the clinic in order that it will start as soon as we can. I am organizing a ProVerde that in fact it's taking place now for the people who will work in this clinic, and also for women of the village that they wanted to take care in the ProVerde. And when the clinic is open, I will be the doctor in this clinic for a while until I will have to leave to my homeland. And I am enjoying to stay in Jingwar because it's a very nice experience.